Generative AI has the potential to disrupt many industries by revolutionizing the way content is created and consumed. Amazon SageMaker JumpStart provides pre-trained open source models for a wide range of problem types to help you get started with machine learning. You can incrementally train and tune these models before deployment. JumpStart also provides solution templates that set up infrastructure for common use cases and executable example notebooks for machine learning with Amazon SageMaker. With over 600 pre-trained models available and growing every day, AWS JumpStart enables developers to quickly and easily incorporate cutting-edge ML techniques into their production workflows. You can access the pre-trained model solution templates and examples through the JumpStart landing page. You can also access JumpStart model using the SageMaker Python SDK. So SageMaker JumpStart is all about providing you the pre-trained models. So I hope that it was useful. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section.